In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove unwanted bank accounts from QuickBooks Online. Managing your finances is crucial, and QuickBooks Online makes it easy to stay organized. But sometimes, you might find that a bank account listed in your chart of accounts is no longer relevant or needed. Whether the account is inactive, outdated, or simply no longer part of your financial workflow, removing it from your QuickBooks setup can help keep things tidy and efficient. Stick around, and I'll walk you through the simple process, step by step. Before we dive in, if you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a link in the description below to get started with your account. Let's begin. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Open your preferred browser, go to the QuickBooks Online login page, and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your dashboard where all your financial data is neatly organized. Next, turn your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. There you'll see a small gear-shaped icon. This is your settings menu. Click on the gear icon, and a drop-down menu will appear, giving you access to various tools and options for managing your account. From this menu, look for the option labeled Chart of Accounts and select it. The Chart of Accounts is essentially the master list of all your financial accounts in QuickBooks Online, including bank accounts, credit cards, and income or expense categories. Now, in the Chart of Accounts list, locate the specific bank account you want to remove. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the account. Once you've identified the account, look to the far right side of its row. You'll notice a small gray arrow or caret icon. Click on that icon, and a drop-down menu will appear with more options for that account. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Make Inactive. By choosing this, you're essentially deactivating the account, which removes it from your active chart of accounts. Don't worry, this doesn't delete the account entirely, and you can always reactivate it later if needed. After selecting Make Inactive, QuickBooks will ask you to confirm your choice. This is just a safeguard to ensure you're taking the correct action. Review the confirmation message, and if you're sure you want to proceed, click to confirm. And that's it. The bank account is now inactive and will no longer appear in your list of active accounts. This simple process helps declutter your QuickBooks setup and ensures you're only working with the accounts that matter. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.